A turbocharger works by using exhaust gases from an engine to force more air into the combustion chamber. Normally, an engine depends on natural airflow to mix with fuel, but a turbocharger increases pressure, which allows more fuel to burn efficiently. By capturing energy that would otherwise be lost through the exhaust system, a turbocharger makes the engine stronger and more efficient. Inside the turbocharger there are two main parts called the turbine and the compressor, both connected by a shaft. Exhaust gases spin the turbine at extremely high speeds, sometimes reaching more than 100,000 revolutions each minute. The spinning turbine drives the compressor, which pulls in air, compresses it, and pushes it into the cylinders at higher pressure. This dense air charge creates stronger combustion inside the engine, giving more performance without increasing engine size. Because a turbocharger runs at extreme heat and speed, it requires constant lubrication and sometimes extra cooling systems to stay reliable. Clean oil helps protect the shaft and bearings from friction and damage, which is why maintenance is essential. Without proper care, the turbocharger can quickly wear down, leading to expensive damage and reduced engine efficiency. Turbocharged engines often show a slight delay called turbo lag, which happens before the boost fully arrives during acceleration. Engineers reduce this effect by using advanced designs, variable geometry turbines, or multiple turbos that provide smoother and quicker response. Today, many vehicles use turbochargers not only for high performance, but also for saving fuel while keeping power strong. At its core, a turbocharger transforms wasted exhaust energy into extra power, making engines faster, more efficient, and incredibly versatile across different machines. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.